How can I filter a Django query with a list of values? I'm sure this is a trivial operation, but I can't figure out how it's done. There's got to be something smarter than this. I'm looking to get them all in one query with something like, how can I filter a Django query with a list of values?
From the Django documentation.
When you have list of items and you want to check the possible values from the list, then you can't use equals. The SQL query will be like select from mutable where it's equals 1, 3, 6, 7, 9, which is not true. You have to use an operator for this, so your query will be like select from mutable where it's in 1, 3, 6, 7, 9. For that, Django provide _ an operator.
From the Django documentation.
You can do like this. But you should be careful. If just one element in the list is no integer, it doesn't work. For example, this is an exception.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.